everybody, today I'm going to make a healthier version of chocolate chip cookie using grain-free flours. Out there in the market, you see a lot of unhealthy chocolate chip cookie, just like these brands right here. Partake is a healthier gluten-free chocolate chip cookie, but the thing about it is that it's got cane sugar, which affects the gut health, and it's got refined sunflower oil, which decreases and it's anti-inflammatory. That's why I'm gonna make an alternative, healthier chocolate chip cookie. Here's the ingredients: almond flour blanched, coconut flour, arrowroot starch, unsweetened cocoa, grain-free baking powder, organic psyllium husk, dark chocolate chip, organic coconut oil, pure vanilla extract, organic apple cider vinegar, homemade almond milk, Himalayan pink salt, monk fruit sugar. In here I mix water with Psyllium husk so that it can make a gel and bind the dough. In here the measurement is about a cup of almond flour, and then I pour it to the bucket. In here I put half a cup of coconut flour, and then I put it into a bucket. Then I pour 1/2 of a cup of arrowroot starch into the cup and pour it into the bucket. Then I scoop up 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder into the bucket, 1 teaspoon of grain-free baking powder into the bucket, 1/4 teaspoon Himalayan pink salt into the bucket. I then scoop 5 scoops of monk fruit sugar into the bucket. In here I mix all the dry ingredients together. Then I pour a cup of homemade almond milk into the bucket, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar into the flour, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract into the flour. Then I add the Psyllium husk I made earlier into the flour. Then I pour the coconut oil that I heated up in a pan into the mixes. Then I mix all the dry and wet ingredients together. Because it is wet, I decided to add arrowroot starch just to make the dough more drier. After that, I mix everything again with the arrowroot starch. Then I pour 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips into the cup and pour it into the mixes. Then I mix the chocolate chip and the mixes together. Here I'm putting coconut oil onto the pan sheet, preparing to put the dough onto the pan. Here I use a baby spoon to scoop up the dough and put it into the pan and shape it to a circle the best that I can. This is what it looks like when I put it in this pan. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. This is what it looks like after baking it. It's very soft.